Hey, hello guys, welcome you all to the 14th tutorial on front-end web development course. Myself, Sam Nichin from Frozen Lakes. Today we are going to see about styling of table in the CSS. First, we will learn about the table border, then the table size, the table alignment, and finally the table styles. Okay, so first let's get into the table border. To implement this, we have to give a table, and between that we have to give a TR. These are the things I had explained you on the HTML session. If you have any doubts, just go through the previous video that I have posted in the table one, okay? In the table content, okay? So then the TH. So I guess we can have the three types of table headers and serial number, name. Then let's choose place. Then TR. Three table data. You can choose this TR star 3 greater than TD star 3. Okay, see, we have got three table rows with 3 TD each. Okay, so let's choose one, and here for name let's choose AAA, and for place we use India. Then for this TD let's choose 2, and BBB let's choose uh, US, and here 3, then CCC, then here UK. Okay, so I just save it. Okay, you can say this in a table structure, but you can't see any of the borders, right? So to implement that, we have to come to the CSS part, and I haven't declared the class name because I'm just showcasing you how to implement this, and it's not a real-time case. Okay, and here we just have a single table, so I'm just calling directly. And if you have complex codes or complex website, you have to use the class name. Okay, so it's not a proper thing. Okay, so just calling this, and let's use border to be 2 pixels black solid. Okay, so now you can see a outline over here, right? So it's not the thing we want, so we have to use table, then the th comma td. So it's a selector which selects all these three tags. Okay, so now see, you can see all those things individually, right? So it's a table border. Okay, so similarly you have a thing called border collapse. So if you give the separate, it will be default in separate one. So it's a thing you can visualize here. And if you give collapse, and I'm just saving it, it's just giving the actual border of the table, right? So it's a border property. And next come to the size of the table. So mostly the size of the table is nothing but the height and width. Okay, so consider we have to give a height for the th tag because it's a header one, right? So it have to be somewhat bigger than rest of the things. So th, let's use the height to be 10 pixels, and I'm just saying it. So tbth, okay, and the width to be 50 pixels. So let's change the height to 50 pixels itself. Also we can choose 35 pixels. So now you can do this, right? And you can make the width to be 100 to, okay, or else you can directly make the table size too. So let's make the width to be auto. If so, it will take the entire width of the screen, like the entire width of the parent component. Okay, so if you give this with equal auto, it will take the necessary thing that has to be implemented over here. Or else you can give the 100%, it will take the entire size. Okay, see, so when I going to inspect clicking on this icon, it just say changing with respect to size, right? See, it's just changing, right? Also, you can give the size to be 80, 80 or 70 percentage. It will depend on your requirement. Okay. So right for now, let me give 30 percentage. Okay. So it's a size property and the alignment. So consider you're making a table. Okay. And defaultly the header should be in the center. So you have used these things in the th tag, so it's been placed center. So what about this? If you have to make this center or to be in right, so to that, for doing that, we have to call it td, and we have to give text align to be end to make the text to at the right side. Okay, see, or center to make it in the center. Okay, so it will be a great thing, right? To make the table for our customization. Okay, so that's all about alignment. And coming to the table styles. So for table styles, we have to use the table th comma table td. Okay, so it's nothing but a normal styling. Okay, so I just want you to help that these things also exist. Okay, so we don't want the x-axis to be to have any padding, and we have to make 25 pixels for y-axis. Okay, so I guess I am did by mistake. Yeah, it's for x-axis. Okay, so let's use 15 pixels right for now. So if you do this, it will be a great table, right? And you can change this color for if your customization. Okay, or else you can use a specific color like border top to be in 2 pixels blue solid. See, all the things you can do. Okay, and you can do border bottom to be this. Let's do 12 pixels. See, these are the things you can do. Okay, so that's all guys for today's video. I hope you all have understood this very clearly, because it's the most important thing. Like if you have to display anything from the database to the client, you just have to use this table itself. Okay, so you will not be making all those things here. So you will just run a loop, which means the repetition process until all the things have been gone, or else until the thing is exist. Okay, so we will just make a single tr and td, and you have to run this again and again until the data is existed. Okay, so it's a very important thing to have to practice it so on, so that you can make yourself get trained. Okay, so just let's have a recap over here. So table border is nothing but a border to be implemented, and we have to use border collapse property to get a single border between all the cells. Okay, so then the table size is nothing but the height and width of each row one, each columns, and so on. Okay, and the table alignment, the text alignment. Okay, and finally the table says padding, the coloring, and the border size, borders, color, and so on, all included in this table size. Okay, do like and share this video with your friends and family, and if you have any queries or any feedback regarding this video, do DM us on our Instagram account. And if you have any doubts, comment in the comment section. So that's it guys, see you all on next video. Bye bye.